You must have seen this one of the iconic photos from Bangkok a lot of times. Let's visit this market in my new vlog. Rot Fai Market is one of the many street markets that offers its own flavor of Bangkok. Unlike Khao San and many other street markets, Rot Fai has a hipster vibe. So here you will find a lot of trinkets, oxidized jewelry and cozy pubs and a lot of classy hipster clothing. If you have to take the iconic top view photo of the market, then go to a parking lot of Seacon Square Mall and you will get the shot. And don't forget to try some local delicacies when you are here. Since this market only starts in the night, so make sure that you arrive early because if you are traveling by bus, there will be a lot of traffic jam and it will take a lot of time to come here. But on a brighter side, the market is right next to a metro station, so you can catch your metro and come to the market in no time.